Hey there, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com, and today we have a great question from Lee in West Virginia, and he apparently paid a crawl space company about $7,500 to encapsulate his crawl space, but they did something with the mold that we don't recommend or we'd like to touch on, so stay tuned. Okay, Lee in West Virginia, we appreciate you asking us this question. And from what I understand from the question is you paid a crawl space encapsulation company to come in and they pulled the insulation down and they sprayed a disinfectant on the wood, and they did not visibly or physically remove the mold, but they said that the mold is dead. All right, a couple things to keep in mind. If you're going to pay someone to address mold, we do that as an option as well, because believe it or not everybody wants the mold physically removed. We've got people that don't even care if there is mold. Some people don't even want the mold touched. They just want new vapor barrier and stuff like that. So in our industry, what we try to do is we try to cater to the client's needs and wants. So if we've got someone who doesn't want the mold physically removed, we're not going to make them do that. But if they told you that they were going to remove the mold and they didn't, that's a different scenario. So why do you want the mold removed? The biggest reason is when you go to sell the house, if you did not remove the mold, it's going to be a red flag on the home inspection. First of all, let's assume that the home inspector is going to actually go in the crawl space. But secondly, if they do and they look up and they see mold, even though it's dead, they're going to write that on their report and they're going to say fungal type growth or something like that. So imagine you hire me and I'm a local mold remediator, and you've got mold all in your kitchen. Your whole kitchen is just eat up with mold. It's all over the drywall and everything else. And I go in there and I say, well, Mr. Homeowner, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray all of this with a mold killer, but it's still going to be there when I get done. It's going to be purple and pink and green and white and all that, and you'll just have to deal with that in the kitchen. What would you think? You're like, get out of my house, you idiot. You don't know what you're doing. Well, why is it that the crawl space industry, it's okay for us to do that? So if we go down there and we just spray the mold and it's black and pink and all that, those funky colors are still going to be there even if we spray it. That's why we recommend physically removing the mold. So anyway, hope that's a great answer to your great question. My name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. See you later.